Hello everyone! Today we're reviewing a budget-friendly vacuum cleaner, ILIFE H80, which offers features close to more expensive models. It's lightweight, cordless, and designed for everyday home cleaning. Let's check if it's worth the money and how well it performs. Before we start, like the video and subscribe, it really motivates a lot. Let's go! The vacuum arrives in a large box with all parts packed separately. Inside, you get the vacuum itself, brushes, a tube charger, and multiple nozzles for different surfaces. The kit is complete. You can start using it right after unboxing. The iLife H80 looks modern and feels lightweight in the hand. There's a control button on the handle along with LED lighting. Assembly is simple. Connect the tube, attach a nozzle, and it's ready to clean. This vacuum works well for apartments and houses. It picks up dust, crumbs, and pet hair without issues. It glides smoothly on the floor and is easy to control with one hand. The dust container is transparent, so you immediately see when it's full. Built-in LED lighting helps illuminate dark areas, useful under sofas and furniture. The vacuum is lightweight and doesn't tire your hand while cleaning. Cordless operation means no cables dragging around the house. Different nozzles let you clean floors, sofas, shelves, corners, and even car interiors. LED lights reveal dust you usually don't notice. The price is attractive, and the performance is enough for daily use. For very large homes, one battery cycle may not be enough. On thick carpets, suction power is weaker compared to high-end models. The dust container is not very large. You may need to empty it more often. ILIFE H80 is a pleasant and affordable option for home cleaning. It's great for everyday tasks, doesn't take much storage space, and works without cables. Stylish, easy to use, and practical, especially if you have pets or kids. If you're looking for a budget vacuum that actually helps with daily cleaning, this is a solid choice on Amazon. Thanks for watching till the end. Write in the comments which vacuum cleaner you currently use and whether you would try the iLife H80. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next reviews.